Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you guys for watching. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to achieve jet black hair with the watercolor method on 1B hair. We are working with Asteria hair and they kindly sent me out 3 bundles of body wave hair in 24 inches and a 20-inch frontal. So yeah, Asteria hair is what we're going to be using today, and we're basically just going to be dyeing the hair jet black, and we are using the Adore dye in the color jet black and just putting that in the container and then adding hot water. Okay, so after I've finished dyeing the hair, I'm going to go ahead and bleach the lace on the frontal, and I am using normal hair shop bleach from the hair shop. Okay guys, so I'm back and as per usual looking a hot ass mess, but I've constructed and made the wig and right now I'm just about to install it. So yeah, this is how the hair took to the color and me dyeing it black. It looks really good, like really good. So right now what I'm going to do is basically just install and style the wig on my head. Basically I've kind of semi-styled one side of the hair. I cut it off camera and then kind of added these like loose waves. So yeah, basically I'm just going to do that with the other side of the hair. Basically I'm just going to do the same thing I did to this side but actually show you guys. I'm a bit skeptical about cutting this hair on camera because I'm scared that when I come on camera I'm just going to do it wrong, but I'm going to try it anyway, and if it doesn't work out I'm absolutely going to blame you guys. But yeah, all those good details and all the stuff you actually want to hear, I will get into that at the end of the video like I usually do. makeup, and now I'm just basically gonna style the hair with you guys and basically tell you guys the details about the hair. So yeah, like I said in the beginning of the video, this hair is from Asteria Hair, and they are an independent hair company. If you haven't really heard of Asteria Hair already, like, where the hell have you kind of been? Like, I've seen so many people do Asteria hair reviews, and it's always positive, good reviews, and the hair always looks absolutely stunning. So when they reached out to me, I was more than keen to do a review video. So when the hair first came, it was actually really soft. When the hair came, originally it was a natural 1B color, but for the hairstyle and kind of look that I was going for, I wanted something much darker. I wanted just a jet black, but I really couldn't be bothered and didn't want to do the whole, well, normal kind of dyeing method. So I've seen a few videos online of watercolor method on 1B hair, and how you can literally just basically watercolor your 1B hair jet black if you wanted to, and that's basically exactly what I did, and I was really impressed with the results. I just went ahead and basically water dyed the hair, so I showed you all of that process in the beginning of the video. This hair took to the water dye method really well. The bundles especially, like, I just put it in and it was just basically black. Like, look at that. Like, look, no, just look at that. This looks like it should be a L'Oreal advert or Pantene. Like, just look at that. It took to the color so well, and still remained so soft and so silky. So now with the frontal and the watercolor method on the frontal, actually what I did was practice on like a random frontal that I had lying around. So I practiced on that frontal, and the dye did not touch the lace at all, and I was like, wow, like, okay, so this is really gonna work. Like I said, I put the bundles in first, and the bundles just took really well. Left them in like for less than 5 minutes, and it took the color amazing. Then I went ahead and put the frontal, and I was very skeptical at first, and then I was putting the frontal in but very lightly at first, and I could see that the color wasn't taking as well because I hadn't just dunked it in. So I was like, okay, you know what, let me just dunk it in. So I did, and I've left it in there for a while, and I've taken out the lace, and the lace did look visibly darker. So basically the lace kind of tinted. It was as if I'd like basically tinted the lace to suit somebody of a darker skin tone, and I was like, okay, cool, I can fix this. I'm gonna go ahead and bleach the lace. So I literally just took hair shop bleach. I've showed you guys before, it's literally the standard normal bleach that you get from the hair shop. Just went ahead and basically bleached the frontal, and I've showed you guys that in the beginning of the video. So far so good. Like, initial review, like first impressions, this hair is just like really good, especially when dyeing hair jet black. Like, it's not going to completely ruin the hair unless you've got like really shit hair, but it's usually not the same as it was before. This is just the same, if not better. So I will say the lace is super thin, and that is one thing that I love. The thinner the lace, the better the frontal, the better the install. It just glued down so easy and just so thin as well. Like, I just really enjoy this hair, if you can't already tell. So tangling, this hair does really not tangle a lot. Like, tangling is not, like, it's not really a massive problem with this hair. In terms of shedding, like, even now I'm putting my hands through the hair and I'm getting nothing. I'm getting absolutely nothing. So, okay guys, so I'm back and I finished styling my hair and all of that jazz, and this is just kind of the end result. Like, a really like loose wave, just kind of like, I haven't made an effort today, but I kind of have kind of hair. I really appreciate the length, just because, oh, What a raggedy curl. I really appreciate the length because it's really not a length that I'm used to or kind of like draw towards all the time, but like change up something different. You can really appreciate some good hair, and this is some damn good hair. I know this is definitely just a first impressions kind of initial review, but I have a feeling this is gonna be a good hair. That is pretty much it for this video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it and just kind of the process of me making this Caucasian lady wig basically. Thumbs up if you like this new length, if you like the hairstyle. I literally cannot stop touching this hair. That's how you know it's good. Just no, look at that. Look. Bloody amazing. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.